Welcome back. Welcome back. So, in the previous session, we have studied about algae. And in this session, we will see the kinds of algae. So, further, algae is divided into chlorophysia, phaeophysia, and rhodophysia. So, it is green algae, brown algae, red algae, chlorophysia, phaeophysia, and rhodophysia. These are the three types of algae. So we will see about chlorophysia. Chlorophysia means chlorophyll. This is generally in green color. Green algae, known as green algae. And it's not only green but grass green color. It looks in grass green. Why it is in the grass green? It is in the grass green due to the pigment of chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll pigment A and B. Chlorophyll pigment A and B. Due to the pigment chlorophyll A and B, it is in the color grass green or in the green color. And this chlorophyll it is in the different shape. Like cup shape, coiled, and it is in the different disc-coiled shape. So U shape, it is in different shapes. Chlorophysia, and in chlorophysia, chlorophyll is in different shape. And it have storage bodies, means which stores something. Storage bodies. It has storage bodies known as pyrenoids. It is known as pyrenoids. In chlorophysia, it have storage bodies known as pyrenoids. Okay, and this stores food. Here see, these pyrenoids are present inside chlorophyll. And this contains proteins which is surrounded by starch. Means here you can see this is chlorophyll and inside pyrenoid, and it have proteins which is surrounded by starch. This is protein inside part, outside part starch, and this one this is chlorophyll and this is pyrenoids. Okay, and in some algae it stores in the food oil drops. Stores in the form of oil drop and pyrenoids and storage bags. So some algae store in the oil drops. So next we see this inner cell wall. Inner cell wall is made up of cellulose and outer pectose. Inner is made up of cellulose and outer is made up of pectose, and it is green in color due to the pigment of due to the pigment chlorophyll A and B, and it have storage bags, pyrenoids, and in some algae they store in the form of oil drops. Storage is in the form of oil drops, and chlorophyll may be discoiled, coiled, cup shaped. Okay, and these have different shapes chlorophyll, and inner cell wall is made up of cellulose, and outer cell wall is made up of pectose. And when we see about reproduction by vegetative reproduction, in vegetative reproduction by fragmentation fragmentation, it divides its body and it will grow into an individual by fragmentation or by releasing spores, only in vegetative reproduction. And in asexual reproduction, it releases zoospores. It releases zoospores. Zoospores is produced in zoosporangia. In asexual reproduction, it releases zoospores, and zoospores are produced in zoosporangia. And in sexual reproduction, as we have saw the reproduction kinds of reproduction: isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous. So these are the different kinds of sexual reproduction. And examples: Eulothrix, Volvox, and Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra.